Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a single bangle, designer bangle very easily. Okay, let's start. Take a bangle. I have taken a blue color thread. I have wrapped all over the bangle with blue color. And now I have taken another two bangles. Apply glue at the corner of a bangle and paste them together. And now take a single bangle, and this is a gold color stone chain. Cut 6 stones. Cut similarly 8 stones like this. And now I have cut all the stones. I have made already a bangle, and now marking a position, apply glue and paste like this all over the bangle, leaving some gap of both the stones. This is a gold color stone chain. I have cut 6 stones of each. Now I have pasted all over the bangle stones. Now single bangle is ready. Take a pasted double bangle, apply glue and take a golden color thread, paste it on a bangle, wrap it all over the bangle tightly. I have taken 30 to 35 strands of golden color thread. I have wrapped all over the bangle, cut at the end, apply glue and paste it. Now apply glue on the center of a golden color bangle all over the bangle and paste blue color ball chain at the center all over the bangle. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it, and at the one side of a blue color ball, apply glue all over the bangle and paste white color stone chain all over the bangle. Now cut at the end after pasting. Now similarly on the other side, apply glue Similarly paste white color stone chain on the other side. Now you have made golden color bangle also. The bangle is ready now. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Pebbles. Thanks for watching.